Foshan ROHS Sanitary Ware Factory is a professional manufacturer. With more than 10 years of experience, served more than 60 brands in 35 countries. Our factory is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province of China. Our production shop covers over 7,500 square meters, and we have more than 100 workers in total. Our products range from high-grade heated towel warmer, stainless steel bathroom cabinet, mirror cabinet, bathroom accessory set, and kitchen accessories. ROHS is specialized in the research, development, and manufacture of top-grade sanitary wares for bathroom and kitchen with years' experience. Our products are widely applied to hotel and residential industry. We have a professional and experienced technical development group. They are willing to design and manufacture products with both standard and conscious specifications. Our R&D engineers team have innovated more than 100 new designs for more than 100 customers. All our products must be 100% tested to ensure their functionality, reliability, security, and durability before shipment. Our customers are from Europe, Southeast Asia, North America, Middle East, etc. Thoughtful customer service, and we get well feedback from our customers also. During the past few years, our one priority has always been customer service and customer satisfaction. We have done a lot to raise quality levels and striven to establish a sound quality management and guarantee system. If you have any new product ideas or concepts, please contact us. We look forward to cooperating with you. We will offer the best services and great products for you. Sincerely welcome your further visit to our factory.